Hello and welcome to VoroMotors. Today we'll be unboxing the Roadrunner. Alright, so first thing you will see when you open up your Roadrunner, this digital user manual. Next, you'll see this little brown box here. And if you open this up, you will have your charger, and you're gonna have a little toolkit here for, you know, all your starting off Allen key needs. Okay, and next you're gonna have your two rubber foot peg covers. These are gonna go right where you place your foot, you know, so you make sure that your foot doesn't slip off the pegs there. Very useful, very useful. Okay, so next in your Roadrunner box, you'll see the handlebars here. These are detached from the scooter itself. Has this little cardboard protective piece. Also, your LED screen will be on here along with your brake levers. So next is you're going to actually take the Roadrunner out of the box here. You're gonna go ahead and take your handlebars, and you're going to go ahead and place it in the hole here. Okay, so now that you have your Roadrunner unboxed, first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and secure the handlebars here. So you do that by just folding these up and then taking this latch here, and you're gonna push that up. Go ahead and lock it down. That's gonna go ahead and lock these in place for you. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and tighten the handlebars here. Just make sure that they don't come out on you, like so. You're gonna take off this little rubber piece here. So now you gotta grab your Allen keys to go ahead and tighten this real quick. I believe it's going to be the largest size Allen keys. There's gonna be a bolt right inside here that you could go ahead and start tightening. Okay, and then you're just gonna kind of feel the resistance there. Maybe give it one last tighten. And then you can see that this is not going to pull up anymore. And then you're gonna go ahead and put the little knob back on, the little rubber piece here. Okay, so next you're gonna take your second biggest Allen key, and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna adjust your brakes. Now you can see that both of your brake levers are secure. And now you're gonna go ahead and adjust the LCD here. So this is also gonna be pretty loose. There's a screw under here that you can go ahead and adjust. Now you can take your two rubber foot pegs, and now you can just go ahead and screw these right on the end of these here. Number righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And now you can see these are both on there pretty tight. So next you're gonna grab your motor rubber covers. You just take the ends of these. So this is how you take the battery out here, this keyhole. And go ahead and put the key in, turn it to the right. You could go ahead and take the battery out that way. Okay, so to charge your battery, it's recommended to take it out fully, and then go ahead and plug your charger in. Fits right in there, and then go ahead and plug that into an outlet there. So now, after your scooter is charged, it is ready to be turned on here. So let's go ahead and fire this baby up. Alright, so now your scooter is on. You're gonna have your battery indicator, your miles per hour, or your kilometers per hour, your gear that it is in, and also your miles right down here. So now your scooter is ready to go, and your Roadrunner is ready to ride. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to VoroMotors.